First of all, I want to thank the organizer of this important meeting. For us as Mozambique, it will be our expectation is very great because we hope that we learn so much from the other experience. So what we'll do is to share what it's our stage related to the issue. But I can say that we didn't move so much on the issue of multidimensional poverty index, but I will say what we are doing exactly. So how we are measuring poverty? We are using as a base the household survey. We did household survey in 1960 and 2003, 2008, and then now we are ongoing household survey on budget and consumption for 2014, 2015. We are using a traditional measure, the cost of basic needs, defining the poverty line for food consumption and non-food consumption, and costing the durable goods, and then ending with the poverty incidence. We are doing the census. We did in 1997 and then in 2007. Complementing the household surveys and the census, we are doing the poverty mapping, and then we have done it in 1998 and then in 2008. These are the main results from the poverty on the poverty measuring. We did with the household surveys that we have done from 1996-97. We did 3 national poverty assessments, which was used for policy making. And then with these 3 assessments, we have done the poverty reduction action plan, the first one for 2001-2004. With the second poverty assessment, we did the second generation of poverty reduction strategy, which it was for 2005-2009. And then with the survey, 2008-2009 household survey, we have ended with the poverty reduction action plan for 2011-2014. And then these are the main figures on poverty incidence from 96. We can see that at the national level, with a population about 23 million, in 1996-97 we were in 69% on poverty incidence. 2002-2003, 54. And then for 2008-2009, we have stabilized or we have maintained the poverty incidence. And then we have so many disparities between rural and urban, and then within the region, within the country, looking the north, center, and the south. And then those results are consistent with the other surveys that are running in the country. I'm talking about demographic health survey, and then multi-indicator cluster surveys, and informal work survey. Related to multidimensional poverty, for us, we are using the well-being indicators, which is provided only by the census, which is the more broad, using the specific dimension to looking for the multidimensional issue on water, sanitation, education, electricity, and radio. But we feel that we need to come with the figures on this multidimensional. And then for political decision or for political policy making, we are feeling that this is not enough. We need to come with a figure that it's more broad and then more integrated. So the issue of, or the matter of a multidimensional poverty index, for us, it will be the right way to move forward. So now we have a common understanding in terms of the dimensions of the prevention that we need to take into consideration. But following the last presentation, I can say that even these dimensions, those 5 dimensions, will need to be more discussion in terms of looking for the way to integrate it more dimensions. So the question is still, yes, we have defined those dimensions, but how we are weighting those dimensions, which is more important than the other, or which is more priority than the other. So we are still in this discussion. And then the following step, we are now organizing a national consultation, which will involve a different stakeholder for the next month. And then we realize that we'll have some colleagues which are dealing with the analytical issue on poverty, that they will attending the course, coming course on OP. So we hope that we'll learn from the best practice from this meeting. We hope that we'll set up a joint working team, which will be integrating planning and development, National Institute of Statistics. We hope to have UNDP assistance. And then we hope, and then that we'll have a OP assistance. And then we are, as I said, that now it's running the household survey for 2014-2015. That will end with the 4th poverty assessment. Our wish is that these poverty assessments come or to be developed with including the multidimensional poverty index. So this is the way we are moving forward, and then we hope that we are in the right way as we join the network, and then we hope that we'll get some more from the best practice that the other countries are running on. So thank you.